Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Daniel here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this really easy and tasty pizza. This pizza is so good and so easy that when you learn this, you're going to stop buying pizza from your favorite pizza store. Quotes me on this. Now let's just dive right into the video. As usual, the full ingredient list and their quantities are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. I'm going to start by adding some instant yeast, a bit of sugar and a little bit of warm water into a bowl. It is important that you use warm water for this, please. Anytime I'm using yeast, I always try to use warm water. I'm just going to mix that until my sugar is dissolved, and then I'm going to go in with some all-purpose flour. I have sifted this behind the scenes or behind the camera, so it's important you do the same. I'm also going to add a bit of salt and some vegetable oil, or you can also use olive oil. Whichever one you want to use is fine. Now all I'm going to do is just mix this and combine, and I'm just going to knead this for about 10 minutes. You want to make sure you knead until your dough is smooth. I'm going to show you what it looks like after I finish kneading for 10 minutes. This is what your dough should look like after 10 minutes, and now I'm going to oil a pan or a bowl rather, and then put my dough in it. The reason I'm doing this is because I do not want my dough to crust on top. Now I'm going to cover with a bit of cling film, and then I'm going to proof this for 1 hour in my oven. My oven is not hot. I just like proofing my dough inside my oven. While that is proofing, we're going to be making our pizza sauce, and for that we'll be needing some plum tomato, garlic and some onion and herbs. For your garlic and your onion, you want to use as much or as little as you want, but like I said, I'm going to leave the full ingredient list and their quantities in the description box. I'm going with some oregano, basil. Also, the fresher the ingredient, the better for you. So if you have fresh herbs or fresh ingredients, please use them. You're going to get really good tasting pizza. Now I'm going to just blend this until a little bit smooth. I don't want it too smooth. I don't want it too smooth, if you get what I mean. I just want to mix this to combine in a way, but also crush my plum tomatoes. This is the texture I'm working with, and this is the texture that I love for my pizza. Now I'm going to add a bit of oil into the pan, and then I'm going to be cooking this pizza sauce for 5 minutes maximum. You can actually decide not to cook this, but because we are Nigerians like to cook a lot, so we're just going to cook this for 5 minutes, and that is it. I'm going to add a bit of chili flakes on this just because I wanted a little bit or a little hint of heat. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to do it at all. This is what our pizza sauce looks like after we finish cooking it. It is also important you're not adding too much oil in this. A little bit of oil goes a long way. Now we are going to be preparing our toppings. For this, I'm just using regular chicken breast, and I'm going to season this to my preference. You can always do whatever you want to do here, and then I'm just going to mix this and combine. You can also decide to marinate this, but I'm not going to marinate this. I'm just going to go ahead and just cook this through immediately. I'm going to add a bit of oil into a pan, lather it up before adding the chicken, and then we're just going to cook this until the chicken is done. After 1 hour, our dough should double in size. This is exactly what you're looking for, and then I'm just going to punch this and then roll this out to get the size that I am looking for. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're seeing a video from me, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I mostly share recipe videos like the one you're watching now, and I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs. If that sounds like a thing, please subscribe to the channel. It is free, you don't have to pay anything. And also, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, share the video. It helps the algorithm know that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much. Now back to our video. I'm going to roll out my dough until I get my desired size. Now my pizza pan is a little too big for this dough, so please, if you're using a size as this, you just have to add a bit of ingredients. I'm going to leave the full ingredient list in the description box, like I said, but you can also just use a smaller pizza pan and you're going to get a good result. I'm just using a fork to poke holes in it because I don't want it to rise. I just want to let a little bit of space for air to come out while it's in the oven. Now I'm going to go in with the pizza sauce that we made earlier. Can you guys see the texture on this thing? This is exactly what you should be looking for. If it was too smooth, you're not going to get this kind of texture. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese to this. You can also decide to use other types of cheese, but I'm going to keep this very basic. And now I'm going to go in with the chicken, just basically adding the toppings that we made earlier. And for this, I'm also going in with some bell peppers. At this point, you can do whatever and anything that you like. These are the basics that I had, and these are the basics that I will be using for this video, so you can do whatever you want to do. I'm going to add some cheese again on this, and now this is what we are working with, this beauty, you guys. I'm going to put this in the oven for 25 minutes, and after 25 minutes our pizza is ready. Super easy, super yummy, so good. Please and please, if you like this video, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video, and let me know what other recipes you want to see from me. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.